How to use Binance App Voucher. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Binance App Voucher. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Binance app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you do that, you can then head over to the top left corner. Tap on it and you'll find this section right here. Now, after you're here under shortcuts, you'll find an option that says Rewards Hub. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, you should be on the Rewards Hub. After you're here, what you can do is to get the rewards, you'll actually need to complete some tasks available right here. So you can get those from here as well. So tap on Do Tasks and complete those, and you'll get rewards. So talking about vouchers, tap on My Voucher right here. After you tap on My Voucher, on the top right corner, you'll find My Voucher code. Tap on that and enter the code if you have it. So after you enter the code, you can tap on Claim Voucher. And after you claim your voucher, it will be added to your, rewards. And that's how you can use Binance App Voucher, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And bye-bye. Take care.